Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Praty. You're watching me on Bloom's Bunch. Today we're going to see very simple makeup without foundation, very quick and easy. If you don't want that heavy foundation makeup yet you want that elegant look, then it is for you. So let's get started. So first I'll prep my skin with this facial mist from the brand Forest Essentials. So it's a pure rose water. You can use any rose water you want. So I'll pump 4 to 5 sprays all over my face and let it sit for just 1 minute. And meanwhile I'll prep my lips even with my lip balm. It's from the brand called Birds and Bees, in the variation of rose. Once I'm done with the prepping skin, and so the next step what I'll do is using a primer. Here I'm using this Colorbar primer. Even you can use any primer. I have reviewed one aloe vera sunscreen. You can, if for a day out, then you can use that as a primer too. So I'm taking a little bit of primer and just apply it all over my face. So once you're done with applying this primer, here comes the next and important step, that is concealing. Since you're not using any foundation, you need to conceal your skin wherever you have those dark spots or under eye circles or any pigmentation. You have to conceal them. So for that concealing, I'm using this MAC concealer palette. So now I'll mix 2 shades, that is my this orange shade with a concealer which comes in kind of a peach color. So I'll just dab it wherever I have black pigmentation or discoloration. I'll just dab it with my finger first so that I can warm the product, and it helps in spreading it even. So initially I'll dab with my finger all over wherever I have. Now it's time to blend this concealer. So I'll have a sponge. It's a very small sponge. It's from Real Techniques small sponge. I'm taking it and just making it wet. I'll just spray 2 pumps of this rose water over here, and it's lightly damp sponge now. So I'll use this to set all this concealer. In a dabbing motion, I'll just cover all the concealer. done with this color correcting, so I'll go with another layer of only concealer from the same palette, the same shade. Since it is a cream concealer, you need to make sure that your sponge is a little bit wet so that it sets well without looking like greasy, especially under your eyes. Once you are done with this concealing part, since it is a cream concealer, I am using a translucent powder to set it initially. So for that I am taking this NYX Studio HD translucent powder. So for that I am taking that same sponge which I used initially for the concealer and just dabbing it in and just it looks excess, but don't worry, you can remove it later, but you have to set it initially. Never drag it when you are setting. Never drag the thing. It may disturb, so just tap to set it. So let it sit for a while, like just like 20 to 30 seconds. You have just let it sit. After that, just take a brush and dust it off. After dusting it off, what I'll do is, it looks a little bit white, right? So to balance that color, so I'm taking this matte Studio Fix powder in the shade 44.5. This is my shade. I'm taking this and just taking a little bit, not too much, and dabbing the excess and just go all over your face in a lighter hand. Now I'll set my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. I don't go overboard with eyebrows, just I'll fill in the gaps, that's it, to make to look it fuller. I'll take a kajal pencil and I don't want a perfect eyeliner, just I'll go in a rough hand, just I'll draw a rough line on my eyelid. So after that, what I'm going to do is, taking a smudge brush, I'll just smudge this eyeliner. With this, what happens is it looks a little bit black, kind of a black eyeshadow. Looks smoky, very simple, elegant, not to the overboard, just very simple. I look to that. I'll apply mascara. So today I'm using this Maybelline's mascara. All the products I'm using will be in the description box. Please do check. Even I'll apply it for lower lash line. So once I'm done with the eye makeup, so I'll apply blush. So I'm taking this Milani's powder blush in the shade Tea Rose, and just, it's a like very light shade, very natural shade for especially brown skin. So on a lighter hand, you just apply. That's it. For the lipstick, I'm taking this MAC A87 shade, which is very nice, newly natural pink color, so it won't look overboard. So if you like this video, please hit on that like button, please do share, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. This is Praty signing off.